In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to report a scammer on Facebook Marketplace. First, open Facebook on your phone or computer, then tap or click the Marketplace icon. It usually looks like a little storefront on the main navigation bar. From here, head straight to the suspicious content. That could be the actual listing you saw, the seller's profile, or the chat conversation where things started to feel off. Trust your instincts. Signs like a price that's far below normal, pressure to move the deal off Facebook, or urgency around payment are all red flags worth reporting. Next, open the reporting options. On the listing, seller profile, or inside your chat, look for the three dots, sometimes labeled More Options. Tap or click that to reveal the tools you need. Now choose what best matches your situation. Report listing if the post itself is misleading or fake. Report seller if you're concerned about the person's behavior across items, or report conversation if the issue happened in your messages. Selecting the most accurate path helps Facebook route your report to the right team faster. Now you'll be asked why you're reporting. Pick the reason that fits best. Common choices include scam or fraud, fake listing, counterfeit item, asking for payment outside Facebook, or suspicious behavior. If you're not sure, choose the closest match. The important part is to flag what's happening. When prompted, add screenshots or extra details. Clear factual notes really help. Mention the item name, any prices discussed, and what was said about payment. Screenshots of the listing and parts of your chat provide context that speeds up the review. Once your report is complete, submit it and take a moment to protect yourself. Block the seller so they can't contact you again, and leave the conversation to stop future messages. Most importantly, avoid sending any additional payments or personal information. If you already shared details by accident, take steps to secure your accounts as needed. But for now, focus on cutting off contact within Marketplace. That's the full process. Open Facebook and go to Marketplace. Find the suspicious listing, profile, or chat. Open the three-dot menu or More Options. Select the appropriate report type. Choose the most accurate reason with supporting details. Submit, and then block and exit the conversation. Facebook reviews these reports and may take action based on their policies. For the latest safety guidance and policies, visit the Facebook Help Center and search for Marketplace Safety. Thanks for following along. With these steps, you can quickly report a scammer, help keep Marketplace safer for everyone, and protect yourself from further contact. Stay safe and cautious, and I'll see you in the next video.